Hello everyone and welcome. In this short clip I'm going to show you how to log into the learning management system and just run you through the different elements of it. So when you first sign up for the course you'll get an email like this one here addressed to yourself, and if we scroll down you'll see that there's a link to this video here so you can watch this video, and then there's a link here to the learning management system itself, which is 4 p.m. live online. So clicking on that will bring you to the login for the learning management system. Then down here you'll have your username and then your password. So basically just select your password and copy it. So right click and copy. And then remember your username and click on the live online. That will bring you to this screen here. And you'll see that you just have a simple login here. So you will just log in with your live online password and username as you just copied there a second ago. So I'm just going to log in here now. So it's Ivan C and the password and login. This brings you to your learning management system here. You can see here that we have the course here, Learning Excel Business Solutions course. Or if you scroll down, you'll see that the course you're signed up to is here as well. So any course you're signed up to will apply here. You're just on one course, so you'll just see one course, which makes it quite easy. So let's click into the course and see what's in it. So this is the Business Solutions course in Excel on the Learning Management System. Here we have a table of contents. You can just click on any of these, that will bring you directly to that section. So there's the welcome to the course here, describes the course. Setting up your system. Describes how to install the screen sharing software that we use for the live tutorials. Just click there for the video to watch how to do that, but it's very simple. You just click on this executable here and then run it from your machine, and that's it. How to join a live tutorial then, there's a video on that, and then it shows you what goes on when you actually decide to join an online tutorial. And then we go into the lessons themselves. The lessons are split into modules, module 1, module 2, module 3, module 4, and a module 5. So if we pop into module 1, for instance, each module is split up into your lesson files, which are, if I click on it, you'll see these are all the video clips for that lesson. Then you have the assignment workbook for that lesson, which mimics the video. So basically you just practice the techniques that are in the different videos. Then there's a reference workbook which has the completed work there. So if you want to check to see what the workbook should look like when it's completed, you look at that. There may or may not be an optional assignment here that you can do. At the end of each session, then there's a session feedback link there that will bring you to a very quick survey that will ask for feedback on the module and how you found everything. That's all there is to each module, and they repeat. So once you do one, you're familiar with the routine, and then we'll have our live online sessions to follow up on everything. So that's basically the learning management system. Go up there and explore and have a look around, open up things and run things as you like to get comfortable with it. But that's it. Looking forward to seeing you on the course. All the best and bye for now.